is still in the marriage period.
Yes.
When one person passes away,
Yeah.
the spouse still have,
Yes.
but they
Okay.
already, the owner already has a beneficiary. If it's not a spouse, spouse still have the right to claim.
Okay. Yeah. Before we go into the detail, this is very common practice. Okay, for the retirement, for the life insurance, for such account, and usually there is a beneficiary designated to the policy or to the plan. Okay. However, there is a conflict. There's conflict between beneficiary and spouse, because you can imagine beneficiary may be the kids, right? Children, right? However, under the law of community property, the law really protects spouse, right? You can imagine, as long as this retirement plan or life insurance happen during this period, it is community property. Assuming husband open out either retirement account or purchase a life insurance, whole life insurance. Term life, there is no residual value. We just talk about whole life. Husband open this account or wife open this account. However, the money going to this account are from community property. Remember, right? Salary is community property, by the way. So if one spouse use his or her salary to fund this account or plan, and that account becomes community property. So even though such account designate beneficiary, okay, the value of the 50% still go to spouse. So 50% go to the spouse.
And the one person die, except besides the 50%, he can claim another half.
The spouse, right?
Uh-huh.
The spouse, right?
Yeah.
50% belong to the spouse. So even though husband and wife designate, the
Another
beneficiary, 100% go to the children, but the spouse can get 50% because 50% is community property. Okay, so this is community property. All right, number one. Number two, you think community property is not good, then what's the another one? What kind of choice you may have?
Joint tendency.
Right, joint account. Joint account eventually is more popular than any other thing. Joint account. And joint account does not limit to husband and wife. Community property only apply to husband and wife, okay? So parent, child cannot choose community property. Sibling, no community property, okay? But joint tenant, or say joint account, does not limit to husband and wife. Could be anybody, but even though could be anybody, but I would say probably only makes sense for husband and wife, and at the most probably go to parent and child. I don't think it is a good idea to have a joint account between siblings. I don't think that's a good idea. Okay? Because joint tenant means doesn't matter how many people there. Okay? Doesn't matter how many people there. If one pass away, his or her share go to surviving party. Understand? So that is very severe. This is very severe. So you can imagine if this is a sibling and this party die, his or her heirs will receive nothing. Who is his or her heirs? Who gonna be? Spouse, kids, or any other. So if people decide to choose a joint tenant, unless there is a very special relationship. Otherwise, I don't see any reason behind.
So in that case, you will go with LLC.
Oh, we'll talk about that.
Okay.
We'll talk about not yet. I just want to get a comparison.
Yeah, but I'm saying in that case.
Maybe yes, maybe for business partner. Yeah, let me put it this way: for business partner, don't go the joint tenant. I don't think for business partner you will go to a joint tenant. There's no any sense. Yes, we'll go to LLC later. Okay. So this is a joint tenant. Okay, let me repeat it. Joint tenant does not limit to husband wife, but at the most I can only see between probably parent and children at the most. Okay, I don't recommend among siblings. This is a joint tenant. Alright? What else? One more. What else?